The world is full of hidden wonders that most people never notice. From animals with unbelievable abilities to natural phenomena that defy science, every corner of our planet holds a secret waiting to be discovered. These facts will take you beyond what you think you know and open your eyes to the extraordinary details of life on Earth. Get ready, each fact is stranger, deeper, and more fascinating than the last. 1. Trees communicate underground. Trees may look still and silent, but underground they are constantly sending messages to each other. Through a vast fungal network known as the Wood Wide Web, they share food, nutrients, and chemical signals. Healthy trees even transfer extra sugars to weaker or younger trees to help them survive. When insects attack one tree, it sends warning signals so nearby trees can strengthen their defenses. Scientists discovered that mother trees recognize their own seedlings and feed them more. This secret communication system proves forests function like a living community. Nature cooperates far more than we ever imagined. 2. A place on Earth with weaker gravity. In Hudson Bay, Canada, gravity is slightly weaker than the rest of the planet. This means you would actually weigh a bit less just by standing there. Scientists believe ancient glaciers once pushed down the Earth's crust, changing its gravitational pull. Even after thousands of years, the land is still rising back up and affecting gravity. Special satellites confirmed this strange gravitational dip with precise measurements. It shows that Earth's surface is constantly shifting and reshaping itself. Our planet is far more dynamic than it appears. 3. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies don't use their mouths to taste, they use their feet. When they land on a leaf, tiny sensors on their legs instantly detect chemicals in the plant. This helps them know whether the leaf is safe to eat or perfect for laying eggs. A butterfly can decide within seconds if a plant is toxic or nutritious. Their feet act like advanced taste detectors that keep them alive in the wild. Every landing they make is actually a taste test. Nature gave them an ability that looks like magic but is pure survival. 4. Lightning can create glass. When lightning strikes sandy soil, something incredible happens. The extreme heat, hotter than the surface of the sun, melts the sand instantly. This forms glass tubes, known as fulgurites, often hidden beneath the ground. These natural sculptures are like frozen lightning captured in stone. Some fulgurites stretch several feet long with delicate branching shapes. They preserve the exact path lightning traveled through the earth. Each one is a rare, one-of-a-kind creation made in a split second. 5. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus rotates so slowly that one full day takes longer than its entire orbit. A single day on Venus lasts about 242 Earth days, while a year is only 225. This unusual rotation also makes Venus spin in the opposite direction of most planets. If you stood there, the sun would appear to rise from the west and set in the east. The slow rotation contributes to its extreme heat and dense atmosphere. Venus shows how differently planets can evolve even in the same solar system. It challenges our ideas of what a day or year really is. 6. Sharks are older than trees. Sharks have existed for more than 400 million years, long before the first trees appeared. This makes them one of Earth's oldest surviving species. They have lived through 5 mass extinctions that wiped out countless other animals. Their bodies evolved to be efficient, powerful, and perfectly adapted to survival. Some ancient shark species still resemble their prehistoric ancestors. Despite their age, sharks continue to play a vital role in ocean ecosystems. They are the silent guardians of the seas. 7. Ravens can plan for the future. Ravens are extremely intelligent birds capable of planning ahead. Experiments show they store tools and save items for tasks they will face later. This behavior was once believed to be possible only for humans and great apes. Ravens can also remember human faces and judge who is friendly or dangerous. They use logic to solve problems and even trade objects for rewards. Their intelligence rivals that of young children in some tests. Ravens prove that birds can think in ways far beyond simple instinct. 8. Jellyfish can clone themselves. Some jellyfish possess the remarkable ability to clone themselves instantly. When threatened, injured, or stressed, they can split into 2 identical copies. This cloning helps them survive predators and harsh environments. A rare species, the immortal jellyfish, can even revert to its younger stage. That means it can technically restart its life cycle over and over. Scientists study these abilities to understand aging and regeneration. Jellyfish may hold secrets to biological immortality. 9. Stars create sound waves. Stars are not silent. They constantly vibrate and produce sound waves. These sounds travel through the star's hot gases, shaping its outer layers. However, the frequencies are far too low for human ears to detect. Scientists use special instruments to convert these vibrations into audible tones. The study of star sounds helps researchers understand their size, age, and structure. Each star has its own signature song, like a celestial heartbeat. The universe is filled with music we cannot hear. 10. There's an ocean inside Earth. Deep beneath Earth's surface lies a hidden reservoir of water. It is trapped in minerals within the mantle, far deeper than any ocean. Researchers believe this underground water is 3 times more than all surface oceans combined. It doesn't look like liquid water, but is locked inside crystal structures. This discovery suggests Earth's water cycle is far more complex than we knew. It may even explain how oceans first formed billions of years ago. Our planet hides entire worlds beneath our feet. 11. Octopuses can dream. Octopuses show behaviors similar to dreaming when they sleep. Their skin shifts through colors and patterns even though they are unconscious. Scientists believe these changes reflect memories or emotional responses. Their brains are incredibly complex, with intelligence equal to some mammals. Octopuses use tools, solve puzzles, and escape tanks with surprising ease. Dreaming may help them process information and learn new behaviors. They are among the most mysterious creatures in the ocean. 12. Snails can sleep for 3 years. Some snails can enter a deep sleep called estivation when conditions get harsh. During this time, they seal themselves inside their shells to stay moist. This state can last up to 3 years if needed for survival. When rain returns, the snails wake up and resume normal life as if nothing happened. This ability protects them from heat, drought, and predators. Their body slows down to a near-frozen state to conserve energy. Snails show how powerful adaptation can be. 13. Koalas have fingerprints like humans. Koalas possess fingerprints that look almost identical to human ones. Even high-powered microscopes often struggle to tell the difference. This similarity has caused confusion in forensic investigations in Australia. Koalas developed fingerprints independently through evolution. Scientists believe it helps them grip tree branches more effectively. It's a surprising example of 2 very different species evolving similar traits. Koalas quietly share one of our most unique human features. 14. There is an underwater waterfall. Near Mauritius, an incredible optical illusion creates an underwater waterfall. Cold, dense water flows beneath warm currents, sinking like a cascading fall. From above, it looks as if the ocean floor is dropping into a giant hole. This phenomenon is caused by the movement of sediment and temperature layers. Tourists often mistake it for a real waterfall in the sea. It's one of nature's most beautiful tricks on the human eye. The ocean hides breathtaking illusions within its depths. 15. Cows have best friends. Cows form strong emotional bonds with specific companions. When separated from their best friend, they show signs of stress and anxiety. Their heart rates and behavior calm down when reunited. These friendships help cows feel safer and more relaxed. Farm studies show they prefer staying close to their chosen partner. Their social nature is deeper than most people realize. Cows experience companionship much like humans do.